Woo! What's up, everyone? And welcome to First Time Recycling. I got myself Hero.
We got Alvin.
And today we have some products. Two of these.
Your superstars of the show.
Superstars of the show.
Exactly.
So
there we go.
Two of these, well, we have some products here on the table,
yes.
and two of these is going to go on our buddy's Raphael's e-bike from Walmart. Ooh. So we're gonna do some upgrades, which is gonna be cool. But let's pull out the first product here. If you guys remember, when I bought my mountain bike, I already had a bar on there, so I kind of gave it to him because I upgraded to a race face. And so why not use this on the Walmart e-bike?
I know, so you can like sit there and smack somebody with it. It's like light enough. And
it's really light.
Yeah.
I don't know exactly, but it says RXL SL and RX60 SL model. Yep. It's full carbon fiber and it's really, really thick.
Yeah.
You can see here. But yeah, so on the Walmart e-bike, the bars are really slim and are really like narrow.
Yep.
And you don't have much control when you're going downhill, so this is going to benefit Raphael a lot.
Yes.
So we're quite excited to mount this on his bike. And one more thing.
It was his birthday, so we bought him something.
Yes. Should we have Raphael open it?
Yeah, Raphael open it.
Raphael, you just open it real quick. Do the honors.
Yes,
all right.
it on the camera.
It was his birthday. We didn't buy him a gift until now. And why not something that's going to be going on his bike? Oh, it's a box.
Oh, dang.
Do you know what it is?
Bicycle pedals.
It's like bicycle pedals. Do you know what it is?
Oh,
there you go.
That's sick.
Yeah,
all right.
Look at that, guys.
Show the camera.
Yeah.
All right, so we purchased...
Flip it around. The name... there you go.
Peromos. So we bought this off of Amazon. It was very nice, good price compared to like the competition.
Yeah, and the ratings were actually high too.
Really high ratings, so we're willing to try it out. These little screws here, where your feet go on, they do screw out, and you can replace them when they break off. And it even comes with it, which is crazy bargain. And it has an Allen head screw, so you can easily tighten it from the other side of the pedal or the crank arm.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's hook these parts up on the bike. But we still have one more product that we need.
And this will be going on my bike, guys. Camera mount, and we'll talk about this while we're riding. You know, because obviously all we want to do is get his bike hooked up, but we're gonna try to do some different angles for you guys, and being able to mount this probably at the side of the bike frame at the bottom to kind of get a tire or whatever.
On the top tube.
Yeah, and the top tube and all that good stuff. So we're excited, guys. So anyway, let's get to upgrading his bike and doing it.
Yeah. Alright, bar is out. New bar. Alright guys, as you just saw, it is on the bike, looking really cool. What an upgrade to the Walmart bike. Raphael's really happy. He's all smiles. So we're gonna go and try it out on our local trail here. So yeah, stay tuned for that episode, and peace.